Got an SSWPRM file from SAD modeling work? This stores parameter settings for the SilverScreen 3D modeling environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these SilverScreen Workshop parameters files in your modeling projects. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific SSWPRM application fails. More details to follow. SSWPRM files are parameter configuration files used by SilverScreen 3D modeling and SAD software. They store user preferences, workshop settings, tool configurations, and modeling environment parameters, enabling consistent project setups and personalized workflow configurations across different SilverScreen modeling sessions. SSWPRM files use a structured text or binary format specific to SilverScreen, storing parameter name and value pairs for various workshop configurations. The format includes tool default settings, unit specifications, display preferences, grid configurations, and customized command parameters for the SilverScreen modeling environment. The proper file association links SSWPRM directly to the SilverScreen 3D solution by Schroff Development. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows exposes the configuration layout, but altering it safely requires context from the application. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the SSWPRM file and choose Open With. Use SilverScreen 3D first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. When a SSWPRM file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this SSWPRM file is failing to load. First, loading in SilverScreen. Open SilverScreen 3D modeling software and access the Workshop or Preferences menu. Use the Import or Load Parameters function and select the SSWPRM file. SilverScreen applies the save configuration, restoring tool settings, unit preferences, and workshop layout for consistent modeling environment setup. Next, backing up parameters. Regularly export and back up your SSWPRM files to preserve customized SilverScreen configurations. Store backups in version-controlled folders or cloud storage to protect against accidental changes or system failures. This enables quick recovery of your preferred working environment after software reinstallation. Finally, sharing with team members. Share SSWPRM files with team members to standardize SilverScreen configurations across a work group. Establish company-wide parameter templates, ensuring consistent units, precision settings, and tool defaults. This standardization reduces errors and improves collaboration on shared 3D modeling projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.